Hi, welcome to my video. I'm Robin Kay. I'm a Chalk Couture independent designer, and today I'm going to be doing our October club transfer. Don't change, be beautiful. The paste colors I'm going to be using are Purple Pesto, Wisteria, Daffodil, Meadow, and Bark. And I'm going to be putting it on this Chalk Couture Sylvie black framed white board 9x12. And I've actually already cut this apart, so I'm going to go ahead and mark it. Okay, these were registration marks to help me line it up. I'm just gonna wipe those off. Oh, we like the way it turned out. I don't know what colors you're gonna be getting in the club pack, but today is the end of the month, so if you actually want this transfer, you have to sign up today, September 30th, to get October's. Otherwise, you sign up tomorrow, you it won't start until November. You'll get charged like November 5th on your card, and it is a 3-month commitment. There are 3 benefits of becoming a club member. 1, you get a B-size transfer and 3 paste packets. You get flat rate shipping of $4.95 US, $9.95 Canadian, and each month Chalk Couture has a special deal or perk for each month for club members only. Like this month, you could get older club designs transfers for half price. They were like $14.99 and you got them for $7.79 or something like that. But if this is something you're interested in, check out my links below. And I really like the way this turned out. I'm really happy with this. But check out my links below. If you want to just shop on my chalk site, again, check the links out below. It is chalkcouture.com/RobinK. All everyone who shops on the site gets a $6.95 flat rate on shipping, and I believe it's $13.95 for Canadians. So if you're interested or want to check it out, like I said, check my links below. If you want to know more information, just comment and I will get back to you. Hopefully my daughter who edits my videos will get this out today so that you can see it. Also, there's a big restock at 3 p.m. Mountain Time. So on a lot of surfaces, some transfers, and a lot of your paste. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.